Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to Eben Tech Studio. Thank you for watching my videos on YouTube. Today on our tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload our Apostolic Church of Ghana Twi Hymnary and then Twi Bible and other Pentecostal song lyrics in Easyworship 6 and Easyworship 7. For the purpose of this demonstration or this video, we are going to use a demo version of the Easyworship 6 and then look at how we can upload the database in it. So this database is specifically built for the Apostolic Church of Ghana Church or Apostolic Church of Ghana, sorry. And then we will look at how best we can put the database in and how we can navigate and how to use the database too as well. So without wasting much time, after contacting all these contacts on your screen right now, whether WhatsApp, Telegram, or email, a link will be sent to you for you to download the file. Once the file is downloaded, you can get it extracted from the zip file. So I'm using Remra. So when I open the zip file, I can drag the content to the desktop or click on the extract button to extract the content to any location I select over here, and then I click on OK. So once I've done that already, I'm not going to extract any content again. So I have it here, I've extracted it already. So when I'm done with that one, I open the folder and then I copy the files excluding the readme file. So the readme file is one of the most important files here. So you can find instructions on how to go about with the database, how to upload it or add it to Easyworship, just like it's being demonstrated in the video. So once you copy it, so select the files and copy, Control C copy, or you can right click on the selected files and then choose copy. So once you choose copy, you minimize this window. Now open Easyworship 6. I'm using with Easyworship 6, the demo version. So assuming you're already having a profile, you're already having an existing profile or existing database or whatever. Now we are assuming that we want to create a new profile for this particular church. Okay, so this was a Catholic church profile, but I'm going to create a new profile for my Apostolic church. So this is what I'm going to do. First of all, I click on the profiles menu and then I choose profiles manager. Once I choose profiles manager, I'm going to click on the new button. So when I click on the new button, I clear this one. I want to give my church a name. So let me enter my profile name. And then when I'm done, make sure I check this one. So I click on OK. So when I click on OK, I'm going to click on switch to, just to make the profile active after creating the profile. I want to use or to be my active profile after the creation of the profile. So once I'm done, Easyworship will ask me to install default database or songs. I'm not going to install that because most of those songs are already in the database I'm going to put in here. So the database is an ideal for any Pentecostal or charismatic church, and then you can see the Apostolic Church is one of them. It's more or less like a Pentecostal and a charismatic church with their hymn songs, and then other Pentecostal songs and then charismatic songs have been added to it, which is ideal for any Ghana local worship and then praise session. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on the cancel button and then just to make our database empty. Now we click on the profile menu, we choose profiles manager, and then we click on our profile name, instance location, just to open where our database is going to be. And then we open the v6.1 folder. Now we navigate to databases, we open that folder. Now we come to data, we open folder 2, and we press the Control plus V key to paste in here, or we can right click and then choose paste. We are pasting because we've already copied. So now I'm going to choose replace. In case you are using a third-party copying tool, you might see overwrite or something else. So overwrite and replace are the same thing. What we want to achieve is that let's click on overwrite or replace. We have replaced the files. Let's minimize this window, so we close it. Now all our databases have been loaded over here for us, as I said earlier. So initially it was empty, but now we have it in there. Now when you replace and then you get error in Easyworship, never mind, just click on OK, close Easyworship and then reopen it again, and then you'll be fine. So let's come to how we can navigate and use our database. Sorry, I've just closed the entire window, but I'm going to open it again. So once we have opened, this is our profile right now. So what we do is that let's expand the collections menu. So once we expand the collections under the song tab, we select Apostolic Twi Hymn. Now the Apostolic Twi Hymn is preceded by ATH. So Apostolic hymn number, or that is the hymn number which is preceded by 3 letters or the prefix ATH, Apostolic Twi Hymn. So if it is hymn number 20, you just enter TH20. So we have EA20 over here. So this is the song. Let's go live, and then we can double click, and then once our content is on the live screen, we can navigate and then just use the arrow keys to change our lyrics or slides. So we have it on our second monitor or our secondary screen. So let me off my live view, and then if there are many times where like the hymn number, you might forget about the hymn number, but you know a lyrics in the hymn, or you know a phrase in the song. So we can just search by a phrase or a word in the song by clicking on this icon. Then we use the down arrow, we set it to words so that we can enter by a word or a phrase in the song. So Easyworship is going to do the searching for us. So it has limited us to this search, and then that is hymn number 27, and then it will also show at the preview side. Now, one good thing about this database is that time has been taken to organize the lyrics according to verses, refrains, choruses, and then intros and outros, just to make sure that it looks simple and then good and easy for the presenter or whoever sits behind the PC to control the presentation. It just make it easy for the person to use the database and then navigate through. So that is it on how to search the lyrics, the Twi Hymnary. So let's come to the Pentecostals. So the Pentecostals are also like songs which are ideal for church use, any charismatic or other Pentecostal. The ones we sing, the local songs that we sing, it's ideal for any Ghanaian worship song or praise time too as well. So now let's search for this song. Maybe Glory Be to My God or My Lord. So that one too, you search the same thing. So they are major of the songs we sing which have been included in this category. So let's search for another song. 247, I will praise you, Jehovah. Let's search for another song and see. Bunoni. So this is also another song that we can search. So there are many of the song lyrics in this database. Now let's come to the Twi Bible. Once we select the Twi Bible, unfortunately you cannot have the Twi Bible in the scripture tab because it wasn't included there, but we have included it here for now. So what we are going to do is that when we want to search for the Twi Bible, this is what you do. You enter the first 3 characters of the book name, followed by a space and then the chapter number. So if it is 1 John chapter 1, you enter and then you'll be able to search. The verses will be loaded over here for you. The chapters are also over here. So you just enter the book and chapter name. So if it is Galatians, first 3 letters, Galatians 5 verse 12, you just scroll down. This is verse 12. You move. So once we are reading, you can just come to the live view, navigate using the up and down arrow keys to navigate through the verses. You will get yourself familiar with it. It's very simple to use, and then you'll be fast. So that's it on how to search. Now let's go to scripture like 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 9. There we are live over here. So that is it for today's video. If you find any error in the song, you can alert, but I believe time has been taken to make sure errors and then mistakes are corrected. But you can also send a comment on the WhatsApp or the Telegram if you have any comments on the song lyrics, mistakes, and other stuffs. Okay. So the songs, yeah, I'm not the author of the song or whatever. This is for demonstration purpose. You can read from the description below. Check the video, read from the description below. Thank you very much for watching. WhatsApp or Telegram for the link or the email too as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, you share, and then subscribe to the channel too as well for more notifications on tech tips and church technologies and other stuffs too. Thank you. Bye.